Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Rawat. Today I am going to present all my basic design assignments. Creative introduction. For creative introduction, my medium was sketching. I have tried polygon art with different colors and lines to show my qualities. I chose colors to show qualities because are easily relatable to my qualities. Different colors like orange for emotional, pink for soft hearted, brown for simple, yellow for positivity. Different types of lines like zigzag lines are used to show my quality of activeness, and wavy line are used to show my quality of calmness. In this way I have tried to introduce myself. Assignment number 2, Matchstick Tower. For this, my medium was minimum base maximum spread. Here there are my some explorations. Exploration number 1. In this exploration, I have tried to get flow curve path. It is equally balanced on both the side by the help of base, which is made up of geometrical shape. I have tried to achieve curve path with the help of continuous network of squares. Assignment number 2, prosthetic nose. Here there are my some explorations. Exploration number 1, angry. In this exploration, I have used red color to show angerness. To show angerness on my face, I have to change facial expression. Like I have to shrink my eyebrows and I have to increase my eyeball size. Assignment number 6, flame and music. For this, my medium was creating music. As we heard, there is regular up and down of tune in music, because of which music is in rhythmic motion. Always rhythmic music feels us happy. Assignment number 7, collage. I had tried to make collage visually balanced by arranging images similar to their colors. Blue color is emphasized by arranging light color images around it. Assignment number 8, logo design. For this, my medium was verb. Here there are my some explorations. Exploration number 1. Theme for this logo was an event where students get an opportunity to show their talent. I have used yellow color border to highlight this logo. Different colors for letters are used as different students has different talent. R is emphasized because it is in the center. Assignment number 9. Story writing. For this, my medium was marketplace. Title of my story is Visit to Deolali Market. Setting of the story is Deolali Market, month of February, Sunday. The character of my story are me, mother, shopkeeper, Rina auntie and her daughter Tina. Point of view of story is me. The twist in the story is Rina auntie lost her purse. And at the end, she got her purse because of the honesty of one stranger man. Moral of my story is honesty is the best policy. Assignment number 10. 2D and 3D composition of dance form. Dance form Bharatnatyam. In this composition, I have used dark line to emphasize leg and hand movement. 2D dance form Odissi. In this composition, I have tried to balance the composition by using different line widths. 2D dance form Kathakali. In this composition, dot and half movement is emphasized to make composition more interesting. Two-D dance form Ballet. In this composition, I have tried to balance the dark line and light line to make the composition visually attractive and aesthetical balance. 2D dance form Pop Lock. In this exploration, I have used different line widths. Three-D dance form Bharatnatyam. I have used curve shape here to make the composition interesting. Three-D dance form Kathakali. In this composition, I have cutted the semicircle to generate focus. Three-D dance form Odissi. In this composition, I have given different height to make composition more interesting. Sloping shapes are used in the composition as it looks attractive and balanced aesthetically. Three-D dance form Ballet. In this exploration, punches are used in the composition to give the depth. In this exploration, I have given side cut to make the composition balance. Assignment number 11. Gestalt principle. 2D 3D composition. Similarity. In similarity, different sizes of same shapes are used together. Continuation. In continuation, arrangement is done in such a way that it generates an eye travel and also generates focus. Symmetry. Symmetry occurs when both sides are equal when we divide it. In this picture, when diagonally divide, both sides are equal. Proximity. When shapes are arranged close to each other, irrespective of their shapes and sizes, proximity occur. In this picture, different shapes are used together and are closely packed to depict proximity principle. Closure. When shapes are arranged apart or overlapped or close to each other to create some shape is called as closure. Closure are in this picture, shapes are overlapped, because of which square can be seen. Figure and ground. Black and white surface are equally balanced in figure and ground. In this picture, black surface balanced and black and white surface are balanced with the help of two shapes, circle and square. Gestalt 3D composition. In this composition, different elevations are given to triangles to make the composition interesting. Continuation. In this composition, shapes are elevated from lower level to higher level to generate rhythm in the composition. Symmetry. In this composition, overlapped the shape one above the other to generate balance in the composition. Proximity. In this composition, I have used different base, but the top view remains same. To get different look from sidewise, I have done this. Closure. In this composition, different elevations are given to generate progression and rhythm. Figure and ground. In this composition, black and white surface is balanced. Punches are used for aesthetical balance in the composition. Assignment number 12. Space abstraction and 3D cube. For this, medium was marketplace. Space abstraction on the basis of architectural element. Picture 1. In this picture 1 and abstract. In this composition, I have used dark line width for arches. Picture 2 abstract. In composition, I have used line width for roofs and railings. In this picture, in this composition, I have used dark line width for pillars. This is the 3D cube made up of abstract of architectural elements. In this cube, architectural elements are given depth and also elevated to highlight the composition. Corners are merged to make cube an entity and also to make it interesting. Architectural elements in the cube which are highlighted are roofs, chhajja, arches, railings, semicircular roofs, stairs, etc. Thank you.